Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change name, phone number, and the Rakuten. So the first step that you have to do is to launch the Rakuten card mobile application. And then from there, you just have to log in with your account credentials. Once you're done, once you're in there, you just have to go to the settings menu. So tap on the settings icon, which is a gear symbol, just like this one in the middle at the bottom navigation bar to access the account settings. So once you click on that one, you have to find and tap on the personal information or the profile settings to view your current details. So once you click on it, you have to tap an edit icon next to your name or phone number field. So to make changes, you have to enter a verification code if required. And lastly is to save and verify changes. So confirm your changes and verify via SMS or email, and then your updated information will be reflected immediately right after it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!